Morning, everybody. How are you today?
I'm fine, babe.
Okay. Wow, yeah, that's that's good. I would like to check your attendance list. Akila, Grace, Kevin,
Yes, ma'am.
Baby, Zahra, Marsanda Putri, Kevin Sinaga, Jusak Pardede, Daniel Alfian.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Is important matter and to analyze the topic that the thesis or opinion is current by developing an argument to support it. Jadi, fungsi dari analytical exposition text adalah untuk membujuk pembaca bahwa ide itu adalah hal yang penting dan untuk menganalisis topik yang tesis atau pendapatnya itu benar dengan mengembangkan argumen sebagai pendukungnya. Next, the structure of analytical exposition text. For the first is thesis. Thesis is introducing the topic and indicating the writer's point of view. Yang pertama adalah memperkenalkan topik dan menunjukkan sudut pandang penulisnya. The second is arguments. Arguments is explaining the arguments to support the writer's position. The number of arguments may vary, but each argument must be supported by evidence and explanation. Yang kedua adalah argumen. Menjelaskan argumen adalah untuk mendukung posisi penulis. Jumlah argumen mungkin berbeda, tetapi setiap argumen harus didukung oleh bukti-bukti dan penjelasannya. And the last is reiteration. Reiteration is restating the writer's point of view or to strengthen the thesis. We can use the following phrase to make conclusion in reiteration. Yang terakhir adalah reiteration, yaitu untuk menyatakan kembali sudut pandang penulis atau untuk memperkuat tesis. Kita dapat menggunakan frase berikut untuk membuat kesimpulan dalam reiteration. From the fact above, yang artinya itu dari fakta di atas adalah I personally believe, yang artinya itu saya pribadi percaya. Therefore, my conclusion is, yang artinya oleh karena itu kesimpulan saya adalah in conclusion, yang artinya dalam kesimpulan. Kata yang sudah Mister sebutkan, salah satunya bisa kalian gunakan dalam teks eksposisi yang akan kalian buat. And the next is the characteristic or language feature of analytical exposition text. First, using relational process, yaitu menggunakan proses yang relasional. The second is using internal conjunction, yaitu kata hubung yang menghubungkan argumen di antara dua klausa. Contohnya, beside, in addition, further, but, meanwhile, on the other hand, second, then, next, consequent, as a result, so, the result. The third is
Okay, so this is a new example for you, an example of analytical exposition. Cramming is bad. So let's see the tests of this text. How do you study when the test is coming? Do you start preparing for the test a week or months before the test or leave things to the last hour? If you start studying weeks or months before the test, it is great. However, if you study all the material in the last hour or minute, it is not good for you and it is called cramming. Let's see the first argument. Cramming is the situation when students stay up until morning to study before their tests. This habit can lead to negative impacts for some reasons. The first reason is that disruptions in the regular sleep cycle can cause temporary intellectual lapses. For most students, less sleep can make them could not focus in the class. Additionally, cramming can leave us with something that I have seen before in our memory. However, being able to recognize something is not the same as being able to recall it. Besides that, each person has their different sleeping time. So, some of them often use a stimulant for cramming. Argument 2. Furthermore, that stimulant gives bad effect to its consumers. The example stimulant is coffee. It causes many problems such as caffeine intoxication syndrome, anxiety, panic, headache, and so on. Or reiteration of this text. To sum up, cramming is bad because it starves our regular sleep cycle, which causes temporary intellectual lapses, and using stimulant for cramming gives bad effect to our health. And this is your task for today. So please do it with your groups. Please discuss about it with your groups and answer the question. Don't forget to write it on a piece of paper. In the material that I have sent it in our Google Classroom. And don't forget to do the tasks in your group. Ya, silahkan dikerjakan dalam kelompok tugasnya. So, I would like to conclude our lesson for today. Yeah, today we are still discussing about analytical exposition, and you have learned the definition and also characteristic, yeah, language feature, generic structure, and also social function of analytical exposition. And you have learned about some examples, yeah. And then don't forget to do the tasks with your friends. Do it in your group, and don't forget to discuss it and answer the question. Thank you so much for your attention. See you next time.